Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Hi everybody, welcome to Advaith's Kitchenette. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. So today I am going to make 3 interesting tricolor recipes for you. The recipes are Tricolour Sandwich, Tricolour Fruit Pudding and Tricolour Chaat. Let's get started with Tricolour Sandwich. Take a bread, put butter, then apply mint chutney, cucumber, put the next bread, put butter, spread paneer. Now put the next bread. Now I am spreading tomato garlic chutney. Now I am spreading carrot. I am closing this. I have cut the sandwich in triangular shape. The tricolor sandwich is ready. Now I am going to start with tricolor fruit pudding. I am putting the kiwis in one bowl and powdered sugar. Now I am going to mix the powdered sugar and kiwi. Now I am putting the kiwis in the glass. Now I am adding pistachios. Now I am going to add whipped cream. I am adding apples. Now I am adding cashews. I am taking a spoon and leveling it. I am going to add whipped cream. I am going to add oranges. The tricolor fruit pudding is getting ready. See, the tricolor fruit pudding is ready. Take a bowl, put sprouts, mint chutney, Before I put this mixture in the bowl, I'm spreading the green chutney. I'm going to add this mixture. I'm covering this with toasted bread. Now I'm putting onions. Little salt and curd. I'm adding little chili powder. It'll hurt my eyes, that's why I'm putting from far. Now I'm putting potatoes. I mean boiled potatoes. Carrot. Tomato garlic chutney. Before I put these, I missed one thing. I should put this bread. Now we have to put this. Now I'm going to garnish with bundi and save. First I'm putting bundi. That's all. The chaat is ready. Independence Day special tricolour recipes are ready. Jai Hind. Try these recipes at your home. See you with the next recipe.